folks, it's that time again for What's for Supper Wednesday, and we're going to finish it off this pork loin. We've fried it. Now what we're going to do, we've got this much left here. This really ain't much of a recipe at all to it there. It's super easy. All we're going to need is a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, a 1/4 cup of Worcestershire sauce, and also you pour that in there. Put you 1/2 cup of water into this. Place this down in your crock pot. Got 1 pack of onion soup mix. We'll pour all that in there together and we'll let it sit all day. When we get home from work, it'll be ready. Alrighty, put your pork loin down there. Take your envelope of onion soup mix. Pour that on top. And then we're going to be pouring in our liquid here. It's total of 1 cup. 1/2 cup of water, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, a 1/4 cup of Worcestershire sauce. Why I have such trouble with that, folks, I don't know. The W sauce. All right, let's lift that up a little bit there. Let it get underneath. And then put it on low. Carolyn's lid about to fall off. Put it on low. And we're just going to let it cook all day long. Get home from work, it'll be ready. And now, folks, you could put in apple juice, grape juice. My shoot, you could even put in Coke. Years ago, I used to love to fix canned ham with Coke in it there. And just the endless possibilities. Just whatever you want to try that day. Like I've always said, make it your own. Just have fun cooking. Put love into it there, and it's going to taste good.
Doug ran up to check on the goats, but here it is out of the crock pot. It's so tender, it's falling apart. We'll plate it up and see how it tastes.
Alrighty, folks, here it is plated up. We thought we'd use our Christmas plate one more time before we put it away till next year. There's our pork. Carolyn and Dan both said it tastes great.
Delicious.
And then over here's our green beans, and then here is some taters. Julienne taters. Folks, I'd like to thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all have a blessed day. Lord willing, be seeing you Friday. Thank you again for watching.